Hey guys, so today I want to give you a little update about my experience with the Umitec LED facial masks. I've been using it now for quite some time, and I know these devices can be a bit of an investment and you're not sure how they work, but I promise you this one is worth every second of your time, and I'm genuinely thrilled with my results. First of all, let's talk about the tech behind the face mask. It features a massive 615 high density LEDs with 5 LEDs per slot, which means you're going to get a serious professional grade light focused right onto your skin. It is incredibly versatile as well. It has 5 different modes to target specific issues. So you've got your classic red plus infrared for anti-aging. You've got your blue for skin clarity, yellow for radiance, and green for calming for irritated skin. And the brilliant hybrid, which tackles absolutely everything, which I really like. It also has zoned care, which is a really special feature. So if you want to do your whole face, you certainly can, but also you can just target specific areas. So you can target your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your lips, and of course your full face as well. This level of customization allows you to give extra love right where your face needs it, and a really efficient targeted therapy experience. As a 47-year-old woman who is concerned about my face, I have been using it for about 3 or 4 weeks now. I've been working specifically on the fine lines around my mouth and along my eyes, and I genuinely can see a change around my fine lines and wrinkles. I generally found this as a super easy, really comfortable, nice way to fit in some me time into my self-care routine. 3 times a week, I've been using it while I'm watching a bit of TV and just enjoying a bit of relaxation. So yes, do I recommend it? I really do. I think it's made a really nice difference to me. I'm looking forward to keep on using it and seeing how I can make more improvements and just generally give myself more of a glow. Thank you so much again for gifting that to me to try. I really love it. I'm going to carry on using it, and I really do recommend it.